In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Supabase storage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard, how to find the right files, and how to remove them safely and confidently. First, open your Supabase Dashboard and head to Storage. You'll find Storage in the left-hand sidebar. This is where Supabase organizes your uploaded assets, things like images, PDFs, and other files, using buckets. Before you go further, make sure you're in the correct project and environment, especially if you manage multiple projects. Deleting the right files in the right place matters, because this action is permanent. Once you're in the storage section, navigate to the bucket that contains the files you want to delete. A bucket is like a top-level folder for your assets. Click the bucket's name to open it and view its contents. You'll see a list of objects inside. These are your files. If you organize with folder-like paths, you might see prefixes or nested directories. Drill into those to locate the specific file or files you plan to remove. Take a moment to verify details such as file names, paths, sizes, and last modified dates so you know you're targeting the correct items. When you've found the file or files to remove, select them. Most versions of the dashboard let you check a box next to each file to select one or multiple items. Double-check your selection to avoid removing something you still need. Then look for the delete action. Depending on your dashboard version, the button might be labeled Delete or Remove. Click that and confirm the deletion if you're prompted. Supabase will immediately delete the selected files from the bucket. There's no trash or undo, so consider this a permanent action. After deletion, any public links to those files will stop working and return a not found response. If you've been serving the files through a CDN, a cached copy might persist for a short time, but the origin file is gone. Refresh the object list to confirm that the files no longer appear in the bucket. If you don't see the delete option or it's disabled, that usually indicates you don't have the necessary permissions for that bucket. In that case, check with a project admin. That's it. Go to Storage, open the correct bucket, select the files you no longer need, and choose Delete or Remove to instantly remove them. Keep your storage clean, organized, and secure by reviewing what you delete before you click.